In today's video, I'm going to show you Kenwood DRV-A310W GPS dashcam review, the honest truth you didn't see in ads, 2026. The Kenwood DRV, a 310W GPS dashcam in 2026, is a compact, full HD dashboard camera with integrated GPS and basic smart features that many drivers find useful, but there are several honest details you won't see in slick ads. It records 1080p video at 30 frames per second with HDR and a wide 136 degrees lens, saves speed and location data via a built-in GPS, and uses a G-sensor to protect incident clips from being overwritten. It also supports wireless data transfer through the Kenwood Dashcam Manager app and can be paired with an optional rear camera and hardwire kit for parking mode recording when supplied with constant power. Real user reviews from retailers like Best Buy give the DRV a 310W strong average ratings, emphasizing its easy installation, compact size, and good overall performance for everyday recording. Around 88–90% of users would recommend it, noting solid video quality and straightforward setup. Most downsides in those reviews are minor, such as needing to buy a microSD card separately and occasional app or connectivity quirks. That said, deeper reviews and community feedback paint a more nuanced picture. Some users and reviewers say the 1080p image quality can struggle in challenging lighting, making license plates and fine details less crisp than expected, especially compared with modern 4K dashcams. The wireless app and Wi-Fi feature also get mixed feedback. While it can transfer clips wirelessly, many find the app unstable or unreliable, leading some drivers to fall back to USB transfer via a computer. In short, the DRV-A310W is honest value for basic road incident recording and everyday use, with reputable build quality from Kenwood and generally positive owner rating. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.